With the best handheld gaming consoles, you can keep yourself entertained by playing different games whenever and wherever you want. Although there are some of the impressive consoles available, such as Xbox Series X and PS5, they are excellent companions to have at home and not really handy to bring along when you are traveling. This is the reason handheld gaming consoles are on the rise. These are moderately powerful, travel-friendly, and lightweight. Not that handheld gaming consoles didn't exist in the past, but they had limited specs, and let's not forget about the excessive power consumption. The new ones you see and those we have listed here won't suffer from similar restrictions. The list that we have prepared will let you play deep games with HD graphics with ease. Not just that, even if you keep on playing the games using these gaming consoles, feel free to do so because they are equipped with solid battery lives. Just make sure that you have good gaming devices to use these handheld gaming consoles. Nintendo Switch. Nintendo Switch takes the first place because it is unlike any other handheld consoles that you might have seen to date. Also, it is the best. If you are relaxing at home and lounging in the living room, you can straight up connect the Switch to the big screen and start playing. Other than that, when you are on the move and want to keep yourself entertained by playing some of your favorite games, Switch is the one that you can go for. The hybrid design of the Nintendo Switch has captured millions of hearts. Nintendo Switch Lite. For those who can't afford Nintendo Switch, you have Nintendo Switch Lite. It's a good alternative, and this device lives up to its name. It is a value-for-money gaming console, and has a robust build. The 5.5-inch display allows you to play multiple games with it. The weight difference between Switch and Switch Lite doesn't make a lot of difference, but the price definitely does. One disadvantage of Nintendo Switch Lite is that you can't dock it. But for traveling purposes, this device is superb. New Nintendo 3DS XL. It won't be right to compare new Nintendo 3DS XL to Nintendo Switch or Nintendo Switch Lite. But if you simply want a robust gaming console you can carry around everywhere, we will recommend new Nintendo 3DS XL. It has dual-screen, colored-faced buttons, super stable 3D, and 256 MB of RAM. GPD XD Plus. Just one look at GDP XP Plus, you will easily mistake it for Nintendo 3DS XL. This one features the same face buttons and clamshell design as Nintendo 3DS XL. However, once you begin to use it, you will realize that this gaming console is indeed different from its competitor. This gaming console feature 2 analog sticks, comes with tons of buttons, and runs on Android 7.0 Nougat. Retroid Pocket 2. With modern-day handheld gaming consoles focusing more on new generation games, a few still like to preserve retro games. If you ignore its steep price tag, Retroid Pocket 2 will let you store many games efficiently. It runs on the old Android version though, which we don't think should be a problem. Guess what this gaming console has? Wi-Fi and HDMI output. It won't cost you as much as a PS4, and will let you have endless hours of fun. Superboy Portable Pocket Console. Revisit your old Nintendo days with this handy Superboy Portable Pocket Console. This handheld console is popular because it supports the real Super Famicom and Super Nintendo cartridges. It features a 3.5-inch LCD screen and offers sharp graphics. The most impressive thing about Superboy Portable Pocket Console has to be its impressive battery life. Now, play Nintendo games and go down memory lane whenever you want. New Nintendo 2DS XL. The new Nintendo 2DS XL has an excellent library. The clamshell design is sturdy, and the second screen that it comes with turns out to be pretty useful. It is a compact device, which means you can stash your pocket or bag and carry it around. The marvelous library offers you a galore of amazing games to try. One disadvantage of the new Nintendo 2DS XL is that it has not gone through any update of late, which no new games have been added. Atari Flashback Portable. If you are old school and happy with the old games, then here's a gaming console that will make you happy. Try Atari Flashback Portable, one of the best handheld consoles. The best thing about this gaming console is that it is loaded with 70 games, and yes, it's super cheap. The top games to try on Atari Flashback Portable are Dig Fug, Frogger, and Pac-Man. These are the top 8 handheld gaming consoles to try. Go on and check out each one of them and research about them once before buying.